Maulana Wahiduddin Khan and CPS have been educating stakeholders informally for decades on countering violent extremism. To take this to a broader audience through formal education, the Countering Violence Extremism program has been packaged. The program aims to help stakeholders, government officials, politicians, military personnel, law enforcement officers, media personnel, and others understand how to counter violent extremism. It does this by making them understand that the issue is not a case of gun versus gun, but of ideology of violence versus counter-ideology of peace. The root cause of the issue is the political interpretation of Islam, which has no basis in Islam's original sources, the Quran and Sunnah. Islam, in fact, is a religion of following, not of enforcement on others as interpreted by extremists. Islam teaches its adherents to follow the moderate path, not the extremist path, which has been termed as Gulu in Islam. According to Islam, the path to paradise is tazkiyah, or the purification of one's soul, not jihad and martyrdom. We have to re-engineer the minds of extremists on positive lines by giving the Islamic perspective of the very same Quranic verses that have been misinterpreted to radicalize them. After completing the program, stakeholders will learn to effectively deal with the issue and to de-radicalize extremist mindset.